Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. I am so excited because we are unboxing and flipping through the Labyrinth Tarot today. So this is 78 cards and a guidebook that is 128 pages. This is by Minerva Siegel and the artwork is by Tomas, Hijo. If that name sounds familiar, he is the one that did the artwork for the Tarot del Toro, and you can kind of see the similar style right now, and I'm excited. Okay, and there's also a foreword by Brian Froud. This retails for $24.99 in the US, $33.99 in Canada, and as always, I will link in the description box where you can purchase this from safely, and the only affiliate link will be the Amazon affiliate link, which I do earn a small commission on should you purchase from it. So, alrighty, let's get into it. I'm so excited. It says, discover the secrets of the labyrinth with this official tarot deck inspired by Jim Henson's cult classic film starring David Bowie. Featuring Sarah, Jareth, Hoggle, and more as classic tarot characters in original illustrations, this deck also includes a foreword from Brian Froud, artist and production designer on the original film. All right, I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Ooh, we've got a labyrinth. Oh my gosh. And we have a ribbon. Before we get into the deck, we're going to take a look at the guidebook real fast. But wait, is this reminiscent of the brothers' PJs? Because I'm here for it. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to be oohing and ahhing over the characters, I'm sure. So if you need to mute me, go ahead and do so. I will not be offended. All right, here is the guidebook. Yay, we have a table of contents. We love it. And we have an introduction, we have understanding your deck, and then we have, it looks like readings and caring for your deck, preparing, and then spreads. Is that spreads? Let's see. Oh, they are spreads. Okay, so preparing to read, and then we have things aren't always what they seem. You have no power over me. The Door Knocker's Conundrum. I love that so much. Those are the cutest characters, by the way. I love it. About the author and the illustrator. All right. We'll dive a little bit deeper into that guidebook after we go through the deck. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cute. Of course she's the fool. I love it. This is like the beginning of the movie where she's like doing her poem reading in the park, I'm assuming what it was. The cardstock is not terrible. It snaps back just fine. I don't have a complaint about it, but I know some people like to know about the cardstock. So it's not too thin, it's not too thick. I think it'll be really great for shuffling, and it's a matte. Oh my God, yes. Amazing. Look at all that detail. The parents. Toby. Toby was the brother's name. Okay. Aww. Ooh, I love this. The masquerade dancers. Oh my gosh, as the lovers. That was such a cool scene. Oh my God, I'm here for this. I love, if you rewatch the movie, you can totally tell the difference between the real dog and then the puppet one, and it cracks me up every single time. Like, I look for it. It's awesome. I just love seeing the little, the production tricks. Oh. This movie was so bizarre. As a child, I just loved it. And that's really cool. Oh, what a fun representation. Okay. When they changed the tiles when she was marking it with her lipstick, and they would change it so she would get lost. The hands! Oh my gosh. Do you want to go up or do you want to go down? Oh. He was such an awesome character. I loved him. Interesting. Death is labeled fate. Yay, we have a door knocker card. Oh my gosh. This whole scene, it does not hold up well. Rewatching it, especially if you like watch it on Blu-ray. But it was so trippy as a child. I hated it. Oh, wow. This artwork is so fun. I love this type of style. Oh. Love it. Oh, there's the baby. Yeah, the pajamas. Oh my gosh. He's the son. How fun. All right. Now we're in the minors. I think it's going to be a pip deck from what I just flipped through in the guidebook. So the Tarot del Toro was a pip deck as well. So it's just going to be the symbols of the suits. Oof. This kind of reminds me of the naked mole rat in Kim Possible, but make it scarier. Yeah, it's a pip deck. Okay. So it might be a little bit hard for beginners. We'll see how the guidebook is. Usually Minerva does a pretty good job with her guidebooks. So you might be able to still learn off of it. For me, when I was starting out, I had a hard time learning off of this style of deck just because it was not working for my intuition. However, you guys might have a good time reading with it. Everybody's different and everybody's way of learning is different. But if you feel connected to this deck, I'm sure you'll want to learn a little bit more on it since you're connected to the art or the story. But that's why we do these videos, so you guys can see and get a feel for the deck before making a purchase. Because sometimes it really is hard to tell whether you're going to like the deck. Sometimes you really want to, and then you look through it and you're like, mm-mm. Oh, junk. Okay. Oh gosh, this scene was interesting too. Come on. There we go. Had to get a grip on it. So we'll just kind of go a little bit fast through the minors. Ooh. Okay, so we have feathers. This is gorgeous. Oh. I love the art. Oh my gosh. So pretty. We're kind of going fast, but I just want you to see that they're all kind of similar. Pots. Oh my gosh. I love. Huh. Cute. Oh, they're all different too. I love that. We're going to go a little fast. And 10. All right, so let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, I don't have a problem with this at all. It shuffles just fine this way. And then let's shuffle this way. Yeah, I don't have an issue with how it shuffles. The cardstock seems fine. Can I please get a card to read? There we go. Well, we'll read for the 3 of pots here, and then maybe we'll find a major Arcana card to read for it. Okay, so there's the 3 of pots. Let's take a look at the guidebook here. So suit of pots is going to be page 100. Okay. Three of pots. Upright. Represents friendship and harmonious collaborations. Inspiration will come from getting together with others. This is a great time to host a brainstorming session and let the creativity flow freely. Reversal. You're feeling disconnected from those around you. If you're not fitting in with a group, don't try to change yourself to gain their approval. Stay true to yourself and the right people will come into your life. Oh, I love it. Okay, is this a major? Let's see. No, I'm going to find a major Arcana. Okay, let's read for Judgment since it's the first one that I saw. So there's Judgment. I forget those characters' names, but hilarious. Love it. Okay, so that's how it looks. Judgment. The door guards block 2 doors and Sarah must choose which to go through. They explain that one door leads to the castle and one leads to certain death. While the predicament you're faced with may not be as dire as Sarah's, Judgment represents pivotal decisions that can have a major consequence. Upright. Judgment indicates you'll soon be faced with an important decision and warns against making an impulse choice. Evaluate your options carefully and consider their possible long-term effects. Be sensible, smart, and act in accordance with your conscience. Reversed. When reversed, judgment suggests you're struggling with self-doubt, self-judgment, and your inner critic. Perhaps you're beating yourself up over an earlier decision or being overly critical of past mistakes, like choosing to go through the wrong door. Just as Sarah is rescued from the oubliette by Hoggle, know that your error in judgment can too be rectified. Do what you can to fix the situation and make amends. Learn from this mistake, then forgive yourself and carry on. Okay, I think this deck is super fun. It's so cute. I love the art style so much. I love that they added in all of the characters that you know and you've seen and you can tell are from the movie. They seem to fit really well with their card choice. I'm excited about trying out this deck and using it and getting a feel for it. I like that it has kind of different suit names. It doesn't really bother me. Some people like their names to stay the same, and same with the names of the major arcana. For me, it's not a huge deal. But for beginners, you might get a little confused. You might get a little out of place or of sorts, especially with the symbols, but I think you'll get the hang of it once you use it for a little bit. The guidebook seems really informative for you. It's a good starting point, but as always, if you get lost, having another resource, a more in-depth tarot resource, will help you out too alongside the guidebook. So with that being said, I'm here for it. I will always want more of a scene for my minor arcanas, but that's just my personal opinion. This doesn't bother me. I'm going to have a blast using it and having fun with it. So all in all, what do you guys think of this deck? Are you excited about it? Are you turned off? What do you like? What do you not like? I'm just happy that we finally have more Labyrinth pop culture things to be tangible. I'm excited about that this is coming back into popularity. So with that being said, let me know all your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's so much fun to see all of your comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much. Check out all my links in the link tree, and all my social media is on there. And have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.